The mother is teaching Ruby how to use his trunk. The baby is practicing, but please do not struggle on us. Okay. And just focus on the other side. We can see that under the waterfall. We can see that there's another one. The brown elephant. This thing shall be the under the waterfall. So we can see that is it the wing or is it wolf? You seem to be naughty. You may get wet. But after that, we must get wet because the brown elephant, when he get angry, you must get wet. We just stop for a moment. Okay, not getting wet now. Not getting wet. Yes, but for me only, okay? You seem to be doing something. Okay, watch out, Dad. Okay, just for kidding. No one will be given out, okay? And after the family of the elephants, now we are going to heart of the jungle, the Asian temple. But when we go in the temple, look at that. The left hand side, we can see the spider. It's the spiders. Yeah, they seem to be the poisonous, so please do not put your hands out of the boat because no, they will. They're just reaching for the handles. And after that, we can see that in front of us, we can see the golden elephant god Ganesha, as well as the king cobra. It's the king cobra. But don't worry, just keep silence. It's okay. They won't see any one of us. And after that, we will out of dangers. But maybe not. Why I say so? Maybe go to the front. What can you see at the front? It's the crocodiles. But don't worry. I remember after the meal they won't bite. Trust me, they won't bite. Trust me. But except that. Oh no. They're the man eating piranhas. They seem really hungry. And that's why the crocodiles will not swim across the river. And after that, in front of us, we can see that the campsite, it belongs to Professor Potter, the best shrimp on Thailand. Now he's smoked earlier. He's the one who smoked the earlier to the campsite. The future what are they doing? The ship really gets louder. So there's an explosion. We don't hurry up. Don't check it on my boat. Otherwise, we may return. And after that, we can see the seabirds, the giraffe, and the elephant in front of us. Let's kill this elephant. That is the most speed elephant. He seems to be angry. And after that, we can see the bubbles in front of us. What are the hippos? You see the hippos? Yeah, they seem to be cute. But after all the bones, we can see the really huge bones. Don't crush the boat. Don't crush the boat. Otherwise, we may sink when we float. They like the basic somewhere in front of us. Right there, the adventure, the boat crushed over the hippos. So now, going to the water, but now this water by the hyena. And then the rhinos, the one with trees. Seems terrible. But now we may in trouble, right? I say so. We can see lots of skulls in front of us. Hi, little boy. Hi. Hello. Do you know what is it? Skull, yeah. It's similar to your head, okay, the size. The skull.
Mine is bigger.
Yours is bigger? And put it over there. After 49 days, you may become one of them. No, it's just kidding. Maybe not the headhunters, we made headhunters, we do so. We can see the older skulls. The other parts are missing. But unfortunately, they seem to return for home for them, but the headhunters can see. Please get down, we're under attack. Please get down, we're under attack. Please get down, please. We're under attack, please. Okay, and after attack, are you okay? Yeah. You still alive? Yeah, we are alive, not dead, okay? In front of us, I can see the boat in front of us. I guess that it's time for me to go back. No, we need to change another way to go home. Oh no, changing. But I haven't changed. I've been in the wrong way because I recognize the color of fire in the back. Once we have no place to go. We cannot go forward and backward. So, we are trapped. We're in trouble and now please. Oh no, please. I just get wrong way. Sorry, I just get wrong way. Please don't burn my boat. I just need to be watching for my boat. And I'm going to just buy this over the water. No, please don't burn my boat. after that, tentacle of water, we're safe right now. And now we return to the civilization. We return. And please look around you. Who is missing? Please raise up the hands. Who is missing? Who? Your family? He's a baby elephant. Say goodbye, baby elephant. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll just say goodbye. Please keep the whole body inside the ball by the elbow. By the arm. By the elbow. By the arm. Say keep the whole body inside the ball by the elbow, please. By the arm. By the feet. Remember to completely don't get off the boat. But just sit for a moment. You don't sit for a moment. You know why? Because you just